How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's we're looking at SHLO, Shiloh Industries Incorporated. Great day for this one, actually, up 29 cents, almost 100%, just shy of it, 99 cents actually. Low yesterday of 26 cents, and now look at it, high up there at 81. VWAP is not on our side. There'll be another resistance right there at 63, more resistance at 74. And then as well as 70 on the dot. But we do have some good support right there at 55 actually. Let me know if you guys took a trade on this one. I took a trade right here for the break back above UAF from 58, and I rode it to the top right here to 63. Not that big of a deal, but a nice 5-cent play on a couple hundred shares for a nice day of some small gains on a fairly not moving day. If you guys saw my last video on AKBA, terrible things that happen. Make sure you guys go watch that video as well. So there's a little trading background. But we're going to look at the 1-year chart now. Let's see here. Guys, this is what I was talking about. Alright, well, I was talking to myself about. The gap between 48 cents and right there of $1.03. Like I said, hit high up there at 80 cents. We couldn't quite fill it, but honestly, it held levels through the most part throughout the day. That I wouldn't be surprised if we get maybe a little pullback tomorrow, and then next week some continuation to push back up. This could have been a dead cat bounce, but at the same time, we'll go look at the news in a second here. But at the same time, there's a lot of momentum today. Really surprised. It had 188 million shares of volume. Definitely not one to underestimate. Expect power moves just like this one. And that goes for any stock. There's no volume, no trade, as Trading Monkey always says. Make sure you guys go and check out his channel as well. Like I said, that we do have, so we did have the resistance at 78 cents, so it was a good thing we broke that. But yeah, guys, not good. The earnings -10, -12, and then now a negative $1.03. So it could have been a dead cat bounce. You know, investors are saying, "Whoa, why is this so low? Let's scoop them up, push it back up to above $1, and maybe it coast out to $1 until next earnings." And then it pushes up if they're profitable. But you guys know of, obviously, the whole world knows of COVID right now. Messing with all these companies is definitely not helping. 20 years high, guys. I'm not seeing if there was a split. So the high up there is $25. Can it go back up? Can it 1,000 times? It's possible. You have to have you have to have a good earnings. That's obviously profitable both in revenue and just overall profits. Like, you know, what you're spending when you're, everything has to be profitable across the board. We could see this company go back up. You know, it's not that just because you have a couple bad earnings or quarters doesn't mean your company's ruined, and everybody should know that. If it can break all these levels, 230 is a good price target, as well as $1.19, and then if you count right here as well, $1.87 as well is good. But the overall price target, I guess, is at $25 level. But we could see, if you just stay above $1, that would be a short-term gain, and I would gladly like to see that. Go ahead and look at the news now. Okay, Shiloh Industries gets approval for first day motions. That was at 3 o'clock in the morning. Shiloh was granted approval access among 18.1 million of the 123.5 million in debtor in possession financing from its existing lenders. So they got some more money. Hopefully they can pay all the money back and not just keep on going in debt, because that's literally the worst thing that can happen in business. Take out loans and never pay them back, and then your company goes bankrupt or bought out, and that would be their best case scenario right here. But guys, just to recap, we did have a nice U over the past couple days. Low of 26 cents. Really good gap between $1 and $1.10. Resistance at $1.80, and then right there at the $1. That would be heavy resistance, as it is an actual resistance line and also mental. So make sure you guys stay take a look at this one and keep it on your watch list. SHLO. Let me know if you guys traded this one today, and or what stock you traded, and maybe I could make a video about it. It depends on how late in the day it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. Make sure you guys join the Discord, link in the description and the About section on the channel homepage. Thank you so much for 2,000, almost 2,000 subscribers. We're 20 away. Let's get there by the end of the month. I know we can get there. Thank you guys so much for watching. SHLO, Shiloh Industries. See you guys in the next one.